Let Garmin Marine Support show you how to operate and control the force current trolling motor using the Power Steer foot pedals. For this process, you must have the Power Steer foot pedals installed and paired to your force current trolling motor. The wireless remote will need to be connected to access the settings on the trolling motor. To start, we will adjust your powered foot pedals. First, turn off your trolling motor to prevent movement. Then, set both pedals in the neutral position. Adjust the foot pedal's angle by loosening the knob on the inside of each foot pedal. Tighten the knobs once you have a comfortable and natural resting angle for your feet. Now adjust the foot pedals to your height. Move the stabilizer before moving the carriage if a stabilizer is installed. Press and hold the button on the pedal carriage and slide the foot pedals forward or down the rails depending on your height. Release the button to lock it into place. Repeat these steps for the other pedal. Now deploy and turn on your force current trolling motor. Then, go to an open space of water with little or no traffic, where you can practice operating your left and right foot pedals. You can push each pedal forward or backward from the starting position. The propeller will spin faster as you push the pedals further into either position. Your remote's main screen will display the throttle speed of the trolling motor. The combined position of both pedals controls your steering. Push both pedals equally into the forward position to move forward. Push both pedals equally into the backward position to move backward. Pushing the left side pedal forward or backwards, but further than the right foot pedal, will result in the kayak turning right. And the same with the right foot pedal to turn left. Push both foot pedals forward with one of the pedals to a lesser tilt than the other to perform a soft and gentle turn forward. This will result in a softer turn to the left or right. Tilt one foot pedal forward while keeping the other pedal in a neutral or small tilt in the forward position to make a sharp turn forward. Equally setting one pedal forward and one pedal in reverse will perform a 0 or 360-degree turn. How far the pedals are tilted determines the speed of the rotation. The Power Steer foot pedals emulate differential steering, such as a zero-turn lawnmower. You can invert the right and left pedal response to emulate steering with a cable-controlled rudder instead. To invert the pedal control, select the menu button or the three lines stacked on each other on the remote. Go to Settings, Trolling Motor, Steering Mode. Then select Rudder. Your pedal controls are now inverted. To change back to default mode, follow these same steps and then select Zero Turn. Both foot pedals have foot levers. The foot levers activate your autopilot modes. To use autopilot modes, like anchor lock and heading hold, your force current trolling motor will first need to be calibrated. To calibrate your force current trolling motor, follow our manual link. Push the lever on the right pedal to turn anchor lock on and off. Anchor lock is useful to keep your kayak locked on your GPS position. Push the lever on the left pedal to turn heading hold on or off. Heading hold is most useful when the kayak is moving in the water and in the desired direction. push the lever to initiate heading hold. The kayak will then maintain speed and heading. These functions can also be switched on by using the remote control, assigning anchor lock to the left foot lever and heading hold to the right foot lever, or to change one of the levers to mark a waypoint. Only one function can be programmed for each foot pedal at a time. Select the menu button or the three lines stacked on each other on the remote. Then select Settings. Programmable keys. Select the right foot lever. Choose which function you want to program to the right foot lever. Repeat these steps for the left foot lever function. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit marinesupport.garmin.com.